Hey Willow, let's see what happens when we put this 3D print in the dishwasher. Now I know a lot of people would say that you're not supposed to wash, at least in the dishwasher, 3D prints because the heat, the hot water could deform them, but I want to try it out. So let's go ahead and get this Bosch dishwasher set up and ready for a wash cycle, and let's go. So this Bosch dishwasher does not have a heating element for drying, so it's really just the hot water that's used for washing the dishes that could potentially deform this 3D print. So after the wash cycle and a bit of drying time, let's check it out, and it looks exactly the same as when it went in. And I've got another video showing the printing of the slider mechanism, so we'll try that here and see if it still works after the wash cycle, which, yeah, it seems to really well. So I still don't recommend using for food because of the layer lines. You can't get it clean even going through the dishwasher. So don't use it with food, but at least to clean through the dishwasher, this worked okay. Thanks for watching.